afternoon, Class 5. Today we are going to learn a little bit more about a Hindu place of worship. Now I know there's a couple of children in the class that will probably visit a Hindu place of worship, so they could probably help us as well. So there's lots of Hindu mandirs around the world, and Prambanan, that you can see on the picture, is the largest temple in Indonesia. It looks quite similar to some of the churches we looked at yesterday, but there's lots of different features as well. The Meenakshi Amman Temple is one of the most important Indian Hindu temples, and it's got 14 towers. I can make that a little bit bigger for you, so you can see that, and look at all the beautiful colours that you can see in there as well. And this is just showing you where it is on a map of India, right at the bottom of India there. The Sri Ganapathy Temple in London then, so we've got one in the UK. It's really busy, it's really exciting, and as well as being used for worship, birth, weddings and death ceremonies, it's also a place where visitors can go and discuss and strengthen their faith, and they can also do meditation and yoga classes as well. So at an Hindu temple, different parts of the buildings have special meanings. So for example, the central shrine of the mandir represents the heart of the Hindu worshipper. And if the temple has a tower, this symbolises a connection with heaven. But do they all look the same on the inside? If you have a look at some of those images of the inside, they do all look like they've got very bright, colourful patterns. So some of the features of a Hindu mandir, you would have a shoe rack, because you have to place your shoes before you enter the mandir, so you don't wear your shoes. A murti is a statue of God or goddess. The main shrine is the heart of the temple. This is so important to Hindus, and it represents the heart of the worshipper, and it's usually at the front of the temple. The Om is the Hindu symbol. You may have seen this before, and you will definitely see it if you visit a Hindu temple. A Vedas is an ancient Hindu text, that's their special text, and they are kept safe in a special case as well. It shows how important they are. And a bell is letting God know that they've arrived and the worshippers are ready to worship. So to show respect, Hindus must have a wash, and they must make sure that they wear clean clothes and remove the shoes before they enter a mandir. And if you ever visit a mandir as well, even if you don't follow the religion of Hinduism, you must have a wash and make sure that you're wearing clean clothes and remove your shoes as well. You must make offerings to the gods, and you must bow to show respect to gods as well. So your task is to label the mandir. Okay, you've got the places of worship, mandir, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you've got 6 different labels that I would like you to fill in. Okay, and that's your task for today, guys. Your second task then is using the information on the video that we found today, so you might have to skip back through, and any other information you find, so you could research. I'd like you to make a poster about Hindu places of worship. You could research different mandirs around the world and create an informative leaflet about all those as well if you would like. Or you could write about the important features, or you could write about what you need to do to show respect in a mandir. So there's a couple of different ideas there that you can do, okay, to choose. If you want to do something using all 3, then that is fine as well.